Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a indicator which was coded by me. So based on my last 10 years experience and then trying out different indicators, studying n number of books, writing 2 books, I come up with my own indicator which is in line with my core concept of low risk, higher reward. Okay, so the indicator is very simple. It directly gives you the buy and sell signal, and you can use this indicator for any time period. You start from 5 minutes to a daily chart. You can use the indicator, and the indicator gives a more approximate result. Okay, and the other advantage of this indicator is you take any financial instruments in the market. It can be a stocks, index, commodity, or forex, India, US, Europe. It doesn't matter. It gives you the exact signal. Okay, and I have coded this indicator in a trading view. So once yeah, so we'll see first we'll see the bank nifty chart. Okay, see here it gives the sell, buy, and then see the run. Okay, then again, then sell, buy. See here. Okay, the one problem, or I can say one advantage of this strategy is if it gives a wrong signal, it will cut the signal immediately. Okay, like here it gives a buy, sorry, it gives a sell initially, and then it gives a buy, then again sell. So you may think like it gives multiple signals. No, that is not a right way to think like that. It actually cut the your loss immediately. Okay, that's the power of the strategy. So it when I can say it is giving a long run for the profit, and then it is cutting short the loss immediately. Okay, this is for nifty. Okay, so as I said here whip chops are there, and as you know, none of the indicator will give you the best result when the market is in a consolidation mode. Okay, but the advantage of this indicator is it cuts short the loss as early as possible. Okay, and this is for stock, so I took TCS as an example. You can see how the indicator gives the signal as early as possible in the direction wise. This is for Motocorp, Hero Motocorp. So here also you can see this, and this is for crude oil. As you can see, from 2,800 it moved to 3,500. So 700 points in crude oil in a span of 2-3 months. Okay, and no other web shops are there. And similarly here, if you can see, close to 3,900 it gives the signal, and then 4,500, so close to 600 points without any issue. And then again there was a sell call from 4,500 to 4,300, so 200 points. See, in crude oil, just in the span of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just in span of 5 months, it gives you how many points? 800 plus 1,500 points. Okay, that's the power of this indicator, guys. Again, this is for gold. Okay, as I told you, like even though there's a multiple or I can say like few false signals, but it actually reduces your loss. Okay, see, the problem with the false signals is what you have to pay commission and then taxes, but few guys are ignoring the loss incurring because of a wrong signal. Okay, the advantage of this indicator is even though it gives a wrong signal, it cuts short your loss immediately when the trend changes, or when the trend change was not confirmed. Okay, so here also you can see it gives a sell signal in the month of Jan 2021 around 5,000 or 51,000, and then again it gives the sell signal around 44 45. Okay, So 6,000 points in gold in the span of 2.5 months. Again it gives a buy signal, and then see, and currently also it is in a buy trend, and as you can see the point is around 2,000 points. Okay, that's the power of indicator, this guys. So if it is a wrong signal, it will cut short, and if it is the right signal, it will try to ride the trend for as long as possible. Okay, that's the reason, even though there are like couple of false signals are done, but if it is if the trend is as a correct trend, it runs for a long time and gives you the more profit. Okay, and this is for forex. See here, you can see here. Okay, buy, again sell here, kind of a wrong false signals, and it's corrected, buy, and see the trend. It is the current trend. Whatever the charts I shown or the current trend, guys. So nothing was the historical data, it is current trend. As you can see here, it is in the mid of April. Okay, and see here also I forgot to discuss about the points for the bank nifty. So what is this points? 2100 to how much is this? 331. So close to 10,000 points are connected in nifty in the span of 4 months. Okay, again here it was a downtrend, it gave the signal close to 37,000 the bank nifty, and now it is what, 30, assume it is 32. Okay, so it gives a 5,000 points in the span of how many months? Like close to 2 months. That's the power of this strategy, guys. Just see it. You can know how much money you can make using this indicator in a short span of time. Okay, even for the nifty also the same story. Okay, see here it gives how many points. Here it was close to 1,000 points, and then here again it is close to 1,500 points. See, and now it is in a sell call. Okay, TCS also it is close to from 2,200 to 2,600, 400 points for a stock in the span of how many months? 1.5 months. And then again see this from 2,600 to 3,200, so close to 600 points. This also in the span of 2 months, and now it is in a buy how many points? 2,900 to 3,300, so close to 400 points in the span of 1.5 months. See the power of this indicator, guys. For example, like here now in Hero MotoCorp, it is a sell signal, and see the points from 3,500 to 2,800. How many points? 700 points in the span of 1.5 months. Just calculate the profit and loss for these indicators. So what I did was I did a back test, not 1 or 2 years, guys. I did for 20 years back test for index. I took nifty and bank nifty on a daily chart basis. Okay, so whenever there is a buy or sell call, on average this indicator will give you 100 points, and bank nifty will give you 320 points. Okay, and I can say the average winning point. So whenever the call is correct and it gives a right signal, then on average you will make 210 points for nifty, and for bank nifty you will make 747 points. Okay, and on average the losing points from nifty is 36, and for bank nifty it is 130. Okay, see the ratio, guys. If it is a winning, it gives you 210, and if it is a losing, it gives just 36 points. You will be losing just 36 points in nifty. Okay, which is a very mere amount. Okay, similarly for bank nifty also, you will be losing just 130 points on average if it is a wrong signal. Okay, and there is a way to avoid the wrong signal as well, okay, which is in line with my other strategy where you assume you buy here or sell here. Okay, so assume this is the signal candle. Okay, so where you will sell, where you will exit the position whenever there is a sell call on a upper side or when there is a buy call in the downside. So in that case you will exit the point. Okay, but if you are very conservative and you are trading, I mean if you are starting the trading very at the early stage, then what you can do is you can keep the stop loss as the entry candle high or the entry candle low. Okay, so that you won't be losing much. Okay, or you can put the stop loss of your entry point as well. Assume like if you enter the Nifty at 14,000, then you can keep the stop loss as 40,000 only. Okay, so at whatever price you enter the position, you keep that as a stop loss initially, still you get a confident on the indicator. Okay, in that way you will be avoiding more losses. Okay, actually the loss is very less when compared with other indicators or other strategy, but still if you want to ignore this loss as well, then you can use this strategy of keeping cost to cost as a stop loss and then carrying forward the position. Okay, and see the largest winning points in for Nifty is 3,337 points, guys. If you convert it to actual nominal number, it will come close to 2 lakhs or more than that. Okay, so it comes actually close to 2.5 lakhs. Similarly for Bank Nifty, the largest winning point is 11,000, which is close to 2,80,000, guys. That's the power of this indicator. Okay, just see the largest losing points for Nifty, 186. Oh, just calculate the numbers, man. You will get how much, close to 15,000 rupees is the maximum loss in the last 20 years. If you use this indicator, you will be in, that is the largest losing point. Again the signal will be changed and you will be in a safer side. Okay, similarly as you can see for Bank Nifty, this is also like close to 17,000. Okay, that is the maximum loss will be incurred, but see the profit, how much profit or what is the largest winning points in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and see the largest losing points for Nifty and Bank Nifty. That's even the ratios are not even what the risk reward ratio is 1 to 20 or more than that. Okay, that's the power of this indicator, guys. And what is the average early point? Okay, so for last 20 years, if you see the average early point or points I make on average is 2,600 for Nifty and 6,000 points for Bank Nifty. Okay, so just calculate it and calculate the actual money you will make using this indicator. For last 20 years, for every year you will be making on average 2,600 for Nifty and the 6,000 plus for Bank Nifty. Okay, how many number of trades will be doing in a year? Okay, that is a more critical query. For that I can say for Bank Nifty in last 20 years, on a yearly I will be doing 25 trades on a early basis, which means I'll be trading around 2 trades in a month. Okay, for Bank Nifty it is 19, which is even less than 2 trades in a month. So there won't be much brokerage, there won't be much churn in your portfolio, but still you can make this much of money. Okay, okay, if you are interested in this indicator, you can send me your interest through this mail ID, simplified strategies at 7@gmail.com. Okay, we'll discuss on the commercial part and then we'll take it forward. Okay, and as you can see the indicator, it is even a new beginner can use this indicator because it gives a direct signal buy or sell. Okay, that's the, I can say, advantage of this strategy. And you know all this numbers wise or backtest results. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel.